kids, do you know how do cavities take place on our teeth? So, there are these bad bacteria that live on our teeth. They make their house on our teeth and they live there. And they also love the same lovely food that we like chocolates, cakes, pastries, pizzas, bread, chips, popcorns, everything. And when we eat these things, the bacteria also party on this food. And since it's their home, they sleep there and they do their susu and potty also over there. And that is so strong and so bad that it breaks our teeth down and causes cavities in them. Someone doing susu and potty on your teeth? Ew, I don't like it. Do you like? So, what can we do to prevent these bacteria? Do we stop eating all these things? No, that is not practical. So, what's the next best thing to do? Firstly, we should reduce eating chocolates and toffees every day. Once in a while is okay, maybe on a Saturday or a Sunday, but not more than one or two. And after you eat or drink anything and everything, you must rinse your mouth properly. And if you have eaten chocolates or any sticky foods, as I mentioned, like cakes, biscuits, pastries, toffees, popcorn or chips, then you must brush your teeth after eating all those things. Only then we can keep our teeth clean, and not just once a day but twice a day, in the morning and also at night before going to bed. Eat all good healthy food, have lots of vegetables and fruits and milk. These make our teeth and our body healthy and strong. Then we can fight with any bacteria. How can we save our teeth from cavities? So be happy and keep smiling. Bye.